Some more mushrooms. Look at that beautiful green color on there. Isn't that something? Check these mushrooms out. It's pretty different looking. Now, I don't know if they're all the same species of mushroom. Like, I got that. And I got that. And you can see they're all strewn throughout the whole area here. The mushrooms coming up everywhere. Just popping up out of those wood chips. But these are really strange looking. They're coming up like, where are we here? It's coming up like a leaf almost. It's a little weird looking. I don't know if that's just because the caps are stuck underneath, or if that's just the way these form, or are they all different types of mushroom? I don't know. It's really strange. Try to give you a close-up of them. I love videotaping mushrooms and doing like photo shots of them, and there's so many varieties of mushrooms. It's amazing. It really is. And they're very beautiful too. Very, very beautiful. Look at that cluster. All right. Anyway, just sharing some mushrooms. See ya.